Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my unboxing of the jewelry box by silverandgold.com. I'm so excited to be sharing this unboxing on my channel today because I used to unbox a lot of silver and gold jewelry boxes and I loved them. So I want to say thank you to silverandgold.com for sending this to me for free. This is not a sponsored video, but of course I will have all of this information linked in the description down below if you are interested in subscribing, or this is also a great gift to keep in mind to subscribe somebody else to this holiday season. But so let me get into some information here. It costs $49 a month, but you can of course sign up for 3-month, 6-month, 12-month subscriptions as well, and those get a little bit cheaper. But each box has 2 pieces of jewelry. So those jewelry pieces could be necklaces, earrings, bracelets, rings, which you let them know what your ring size is. And every piece is sterling silver or gold. So you're not getting costume jewelry or metals that are less quality. And what's also really fun is that each box also comes with a free gift. So the free gift that I got in my box this month is this here. So I'll show you that as well. And you get to keep everything that comes in your box. It's not like one of those subscriptions where you can try them on, but you have to send back what you don't want and then you get charged more. No, everything that comes in the box is yours to keep. So let's go ahead and get into this. It's a very beautiful giftable box that it comes in. This is beautiful. Okay, so I took them out of the box to untangle them. But what I have here are the 14-karat gold over sterling silver bow and arrow necklace and the simple bar bracelet, which come out to a retail value of $158. So incredible value in this box. This is such a beautiful, simple bracelet. This gold bar bracelet here, which you can see it goes like that. And here you can see what that looks like. So pretty, very easy to wear. And then this bow and arrow necklace is so cool because it's 2 pieces, basically like 2 necklaces. And then there's, it's a little hard to show, but there's the bow and then the arrow goes through it and you can make the arrow longer, which is so pretty. So here you can see how that is. Such a unique idea how the arrow goes through. So I love these pieces. They are so pretty, stylish, dainty. You can wear them every day, yet still a bit of a statement, but just like very easy to pull off. So I'm a big fan of it. I think it's a great gift for someone else or for yourself. So of course, check out the description down below if you are interested in signing up. And then I almost forgot to show you the gift with purchase. My gosh, which is this beautiful jewelry box with this leather-like material, navy blue and cream, and a perfect size for travel. Oh my gosh. You know what? I think there's a few different gifts in here that I can show you. So this is so cool. I've never even seen something like this, but I'm sure this like exists. It's this little like earring holder wall. But okay, I actually have some examples of other gifts in here as well. But first, let me show you the beautiful jewelry box and how much you can fit in here and how organized it is. I love that. A nice like velvety material inside. And then here's another example of a gift that you could get. And these are, like you can see, little ring coils. So if like a ring is the wrong size, you know, I could probably use this on my engagement ring, like in the winter when my fingers get cold and a little smaller. You can just wrap it around as many times as you need and then trim it, and that'll make it a little bit tighter. Ooh. Yeah, like I just did 1 coil around and it's perfect size right now since my hands are a little cold. Ooh, this is really cool. This is another gift that you could get as your monthly gift with purchase. This is just a little like clasp. It's got 2 clips on both sides so that you can turn anything into a metallic clasp to keep it a little bit easier to put on. I feel like especially like necklaces where it's like hard to reach or something like that, bracelets hard to reach, putting on the magnetic clasp is such a genius idea. I've never even seen that before. This is a little jewelry cleaner, like a polishing cloth. That's a gift that you could end up getting. This is like a tape measure, so you can measure what size for your bracelets, your necklaces, anything like that. This is very handy. It's got the little button that you push to snap it back in. Ooh, and they also sent me, oh my gosh, this beautiful keychain with the, is it so kind of like a tree of life made of gemstones? Look at that, so beautiful. What a beautiful gift. So just so much value and excitement in the jewelry box by silverandgold.com. I am such a fan. I have been for so long. So if you get this subscription box, let me know in the comments down below. What are some of your favorite jewelry pieces that you've gotten? But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.